inside the ground soft. You know, that's kind of a good thing.
Yeah. All right, so I found something out. CDI makes this attachment. Quick Attach makes this attachment. Also, Toro. I've used Toro attachments, and I've used another ditch witch attachment and another off-brand. I don't remember the name of it. But this attachment going down to this has the worst trouble lining the pins up from this pin to this pinhole. So I think CDI, if you would watch this, I think you need to get your measurements a little bit better, because every attachment I've hooked up to has been a real pain. Maybe if you just made the diameter of your holes a little bit bigger so these pins can slide into it, because most times I'm off by like 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. So yeah, fix that and this will be better. So, pretty sure Jay is taking this social distancing thing a little too far. I mean, these didn't even bother showing up.